spending the day in the boat, visiting 3 islands from Dubrovnik. The small island of Kolocep, island of Sipan, the largest, and Lopud, definitely the most interesting, and a long journey again to Dubrovnik. And we start this boat trip in Dubrovnik, and we go into the first island, just meeting some people.
Originally from Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires. So you speak Spanish?
I do. Sí, entiendo portugués.
Tastes like alcohol with some aftertaste of mouthwash. You got the golf carts and you got the trolley from the supermarket.
Side of the island, very well, nothing interesting to see.
A small island.
But if you walk along that street for some 5, maybe 10 minutes, you can see some churches and chapels even from 11th century.
Ah, the famous sign. Go up and down to the beach. Let's go to the beach.
You will see one small sandy beach and one small hotel and some nice garden.
The sandy beach was the best part. Sand, water is warm, it's clear. It's really a good place to be.
Oh, it's full of hedgehogs. Urchins, yeah, I think it is. Well, not diving there, definitely.
One restaurant, one bar, one post office and one convenience. That's all on this
Went
side.
to see the small church, but the best was the beach. I think it would be nice to be in this island if you like beach and stuff.
Yeah.
Did you have a nice swim?
Yes, marvelous. Sure, 17 meters.
Castle is in the middle of the village.
Oh, this is
And
the
it's
castle.
private, so you can see it from the street around. Wine shop. You can find one small private winery just next to the castle.
So the castle is closed, but it's falling apart. Not even well conserved. Abandoned. New windows, but the ceiling is completely collapsed. You can see the inside of the castle.
There's not much information about the castle, but I could find online this movie from 2007. You can see the inside and other parts. This site is trying to sell for 2.5 million. Whoa. But at the moment it looks really abandoned and not in very good conditions, to be honest.
St. Mary Church that features the painting of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary.
Some apartments, some nice places. But the flat. Yeah, mussels, shells.
Small fishermen's village, so you can see nets here everywhere. People here live from fishing and they make very good extra virgin olive oil and red wine.
Sipan has been entered in the Book of Guinness World Records thanks to the largest number of olive trees per square meter.
Go back to the boat, have some lunch, and then see the seagulls eating what people didn't want to. Interesting.
And we arrive island of
Lopud.
I had a cup of wine. So I'm drunk. Lopud apparently bought by Italian guy. He's the owner of the hotel and the bakery and everything. Oh, the Grand Hotel is abandoned.
There's some people who live there.
What is it? Grand Hotel, all abandoned. So some people live there. Apparently everyone got like golf cart carts around here.
Finding the way to the
One big laguna, sandy beach on the other side.
Oh, it's 2.5 kilometers across the field.
Interestingly, somebody removed the distance from the signs. I wonder if the distance is around 1.6 kilometers.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
What? 2.5 kilometers? That's 2 hours.
We are in the middle of the forest, middle of nowhere, trying to find the beach. It's quite warm. I think anyone will say anything, you keep the towel.
Just put it. The shortest one.
Yeah, we went from the middle of the forest, so it was okay.
That was the first place where she had to rest. I don't know if this car is going to
Think we are
survive
up to,
and get
the
into the
stop.
place. Strange explosions, huh?
It's flat, I guess.
Alright.
Thank you.
By this way. This was fun. Almost stay there. He almost left me behind. Oh, you're waiting. He puts the thing and that's his way through. Like, hey, come on, hurry up, you're back again. To the other side? Oh, look, the hearts. That's the way.
How much? Okay. Thank you.
And we are in the botanical gardens now. After a hot day, it looks very relaxing. So.
Further down the road is the village. Restaurants, bars, souvenir shops, pizza, ice cream, so some boarding stuff.
The most expensive one. So everything is double price in here.
It was a nice day passing in the boat, but be aware, some people pay double, even triple. So we bought ours in Viator. That was the cheapest price available. Be careful with the resellers.
And we finished the travel.